Okay, gonna tear this carburetor apart, clean it out. Clean out every little orifice, every little place where vacuum or gasoline needs to travel. There's 3 holes right there. I don't know if you can see them. Well, nope, that ain't working. There's little holes in there. There's a idle screw here. I'm gonna go ahead. This is a throttle idle right here, adjustment. But this is a jet. And I don't know if I'm on. Yeah. I'm going to take it out. So what I want to do is figure out where it is right now and put it back. So I got about a quarter turn. It hits solid. Quarter turn. So a quarter turn out is where it was. That's where I want to put it back later. But I'm going to take every screw out, that way I can blow through every little orifice that's in there. A little dirt. See how the needle valve is shaped. Alright, I'm going to tear everything apart. There's another one here. I'll take it out. Make sure there's no springs or check balls in there. Sometimes they have such things. And go ahead and pop the float valve out. Looks like I'm going to have to take this out first. Remember where you put everything. So get them backwards. There's a little float valve, looks alright. Needle valve. Okay, we'll blow everything out with a little bit of brake clean. Every little port I can find, we'll clean it out. Okay, trying to blow this jet out, and I'm getting nothing. It's blowing back 100%, nothing's coming out the other side. Okay, that means it's blocked. This is probably the whole problem with the carburetor. So I'm going to get my little kit out, and I have some wires that are down into the thousandths of an inch, a couple of thousandths of an inch, and like piano wire or guitar string, something like that. But there's definitely no hole there, and I need one there. That's what sucks up the fuel from the bottom of the bowl. That's the one that come out of down here. So that's the one that sucks the fuel out of the bottom of the bowl and sends it to the top to atomize. There's my problem. Okay, and some of my wires, picks, things that I saved over the years. Go ahead and try this. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I can see daylight now. Alright. Now when I spray, there we go. Sprays out the other side. Looks good. I'll make sure that's clean. Make sure that one's clean. And we'll go from there. That's what we'll do. Well, time to put it back on. We'll get it up in there on them 2 bolts. Get the linkage hooked up right there. And we'll fire it up. Let's give it a pull.